One thing I'm trying to do a better job at is like making sure I'm prepared for moments that you feel like you're never going to run into, which sounds weird, but basically planning for like emergency events and have everything that I need in case an emergency ever happens. So one of the things I have is it's a 4-pack of these thermal emergency blankets. I'm gonna plan to keep one in my car, one in my husband's car, and then one like in our bag that we bring everywhere, and then just keep one at home. These are great. They literally fold up into this teeny little thing, and it ends up being, what were the dimensions? 52 inches by 82 inches. So you can like wrap it around your shoulder if you ever find yourself like stranded somewhere or your car won't start in the middle of winter. And it can help protect up to 90% of your body heat. It is compact and has the insulation. So like this takes up like no room in my car, right? You can also use it for sports. So if you're like a marathon runner or you do a lot of bike riding, to use it afterwards. And then it's waterproof and windproof. So got a 4-pack so that I can put it in a couple different spots. The brand actually sent it to me. And I think this is just something so simple that you can add in to make sure that you're prepared if an emergency happens, or if like you know you're going to be in a situation where you want to have one of these on hand. So great idea.